Choir.
You had that one, choir.
Oh, choir. I had that one. All right. Okay. Macely.
What is that one?
Macely.
Mostly.
That's right.
Wow. Some of these I'd never get.
Macely.
Horrible.
Horrible.
Yes, H-A-R-B-L-E.
Horrible and ignorant.
That might be all I have here.
Those are good.
Everything.
Everything?
Yes.
Yes.
They just say think instead of thing.
Everything ignorant.
Violence.
Violence.
Yes, violence. Washington.
That Buzz?
Washington.
There you go.
I love the way they spell it. W-A-R-S-H-I-N-N. Washington.
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 Xylophone.
A xylophone.
Yes, that's right. Roast 'em.
That's a tough one.
Roast them.
Roast 'em. It's a city. Is it a city?
No, hold on. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Roast rom.
Roast rom.
Roast rom. Man, I got to go to the roast rom.
The restroom.
Yes, the restroom.
Roast rom.
The restroom.
Roast rom. Roast rom.
That's
Roast rom.
fantastic. Let me try to call this teacher.
Hello there.
She did a good job with that.
You know, I guarantee you one thing. If she's a teacher, she's not ignorant.
You know, the Baltimore accent is really hard for me to understand and to do because I'm from Kansas, and until I moved here, I had never heard anyone talk like that before.
Oh, come on there, Buzz.
No, it's true.
Hey, you think
Hi,
you're
this is
some kind of
Dr.
superior
Julie.
guy?
I can't take your call right now. Please leave your name and a number and a good time to reach you.
She's not
Bye-bye.
there.
You may start your message now.
Hey, I'm tired of you taking us for granted.
I tell you right now, we're not ignorant.
Hello.
We're calling from Washington.
Hello. Although we do live, some of us live in Merlin.
Absolutely, hon.
Hello. This is the Don and Mike show. I'm Don. That's Mike. Mike's Arsh.
I'm Arsh Catholic.
And if you don't return our call, we will have some violence against you.
Because we love to get our calls returned here, boy.
I would hate for you to catch a varse.
Right on.
So call us on the phone.
The phone is waiting for you to call.
We basically wanted to talk to you about the coats.
The coats and why they were taken away.
Maybe you're on a train right now. Maybe you're on the Beano.
Hey, if you're traveling, go say hi to Cal. Cal plays for the O's.
Maybe you live in Anne Arundel.
Anne Arundel County.
That's how they say Anne Arundel.
Anne Arundel.
Anne Arundel, like a girl's name. Anne Arundel.
Yeah, Anne Arundel between Balmer and Washington.
Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go to the Samlem. Samalem. Okay, bye, hon.
See you later, hon.
Bye, honey. Okay, well,
Yeah, she'll be checking that message and going, what the hell was that?
teacher is not there. Well, no, she'll understand that. Please, we're speaking her language.
She's a teacher.
Hello, Don and Mike show. Hello. Hello.
Don and Mike.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, I had another one for you that I have to spell.
Okay.
It's C-R-O-D-D-Y.
Crotty?
Yeah,
Crotty.
yeah.
Is it cruddy?
No, that's what that there
It's
Chuck
crowded.
Norris does.
What's that?
That's what that there Chuck Norris does.
Karate.
Yeah, karate.
Karate.
Oh, my God.
Karate.
That is a good one. Oh, I love that crotty.
Karate movies.
Yeah, we should have had that
Jackie
one.
Chan.
Thank you, my friend.
No problem.
Hello, Don and Mike show. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, you're on the air.
this is me. Hey, I was born and raised in the middle of Baltimore. We have a few. We always used to say, when somebody would ask you Jeep,
Someone ask you what?
when someone asked you Jeep,
Spell it, please. We can't understand what you're saying.
D-G-E-E-T.
Oh,
J-G-E-E-P.
No, D is in dog, D is
D.
in George, E is in Edward, E is in Edward, T.
Jeep.
did you eat?
Correct. And we always would say, no, Jew. But there's another one.
Hey, listen, I'm not a Jew. I take offense at that.
Hey.
The Jew.
There's no place for that on this radio station.
Hello, Don and Mike show. Hello. Hi.
Hello. How you doing?
Hi, we're doing great, thank you.
I got a couple more for you.
All right. Just
Yeah,
try to stump us.
Ol. Yeah, Ol.
Spell it. Phonetically.
O-W-L.
Oh, well, I didn't mean spell it really. Spell it phonetically for us, the way it sounds. Okay, give me another one.
Well, Ol would be oil. Oil in the car.
No, oil would be you're walking down the wedding oil.
All right.
Yeah,
How about
right.
How about eight?
How about what?
Eight. I-G-H-T.
You know,
Eight.
I think it's the one syllable words that are making it tough. But what is it?
Take it out of my truck.
Hey,
Out.
hey,
Take it out of my truck. See, when you use it in a sentence, that's when it really all starts to crystallize.
take it out.
Take it out in my truck.
Hey.
Hello, Dawn and Mike Show.
Okay, I have one for you.
Okay.
I'm going to spell it.
Okay.
Shimley.
Shinley?
Shimley.
An assembly.
No,
No. Buzz, you got a guess?
Not yet.
All right, what is it, sir?
Shimley.
it's what the smoke goes up the fireplace.
Chimney.
No, you know what? No.
No, that's not thick enough.
Nope, sorry. And that didn't sound like real Baltimorean speaking. Anyway.
No, chimney would not be a word that, chimney.
Hello, Dawn and Mike Show.
Hey, I lived in Baltimore almost all my life until I moved down to Southern Maryland, and I don't talk like that, and nobody I ever was with talked like
we
that.
always get these
we
calls.
get these calls whether we're talking to somebody from Green Bay or if we're talking to somebody from Chicago or we're talking to somebody from Baltimore. Hun, you do talk like that. Your people do.
I'll tell you right now, the reason you're offended is because you do talk like that.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
I bet you do. I bet you sit and you watch the O's and you root for Cal and you wish that the Coats would move back to town.
And I'll tell you right now, if you're not believing that you talk like that, you're ignorant. And you ought to get out of Southern Maryland and move to Washington.
Get on the Beano.
Beano.
Get on the Beano. Don't be a tourist.
No,
Tourist.
Beano's that stuff you took to keep from farting.
No, you got it all wrong.
No, come on. Listen, the people who call this show and take offense with something are generally the people who it most applies to.
And we also find out they're slightly challenged.
I don't take offense to it. I was just calling.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, Don and Mike Show.
Hey, do you ever hear anybody say Artie?
Artie, I'm all ready.
Yeah,
Hey, enough of Artie.
I already.
Enough already.
I'd Artie is all right already.
Hello, Don and Mike
That's
Show.
exactly what he was doing.
Hello, Don and Mike Show.
Hey, Don and Mike.
I'd already.
Listen, down here in Baltimore, we got to run the water in the zinc to wash the oil off our hands.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
You know, this girl, this teacher, she actually has written theme papers and has books about this. I'm reading the article now.
That's great.
Maryland's first immigrants in the mid-1600s came mainly from the counties of Cornwall and Devon in southwestern England.
There you go.
They settled in southern Maryland and the Eastern Shore, and their twangy, nasal dialect survives largely unchanged, where crabbers use speech patterns barely intelligible to mainlanders. For instance, here's some more words that she has. Hoist.
Hoist.
That's heist.
Okay, heist.
You pulled a good hoist. People don't point. They pint.
They paint.
Hey, P-I-N-T.
Pint.
Don't pint at me.
Pint.
Let me see. And you don't launch a boat. You launch it.
Lance it.
Hey, when you going to launch that boat?
Lance a boat. Yeah, that's it. Lance the boat.
The boat.
That's great.
And anytime you have like the O-A, the words like goat,
Goat.
right, boat,
Right. Goat.
that's real Baltimore right
Hey,
there.
he won't float.
Hello, Don and Mike Show. Oh, stop blowing smoke.
Smoke.
Hello. Yep, all right.
Stop blowing smoke or I'll call Mayor Smoke.
Hello, Don and Mike Show.
Hey,
Hello.
Don and Mike.
Hi.
Hey, I got one for you. C-I-R-U-S.
C-R-I-U-S?
No, C-I-R-U-S.
Cirrus.
I'm serious.
Yeah, sir.
I'm serious. I'm serious as a heart attack.
I'm serious with you. Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Hold on. Toya, let's do a break here. We'll be right back.
This is the Don and Mike Show.